Hey, what's up? This is Seth with Urban Lumber. This is the Urban Lumber edition of CRIBS. Our house is faster than your house. Got the entourage hanging out here. Got Kelly on the 74 Stingray. Cohen. He's a metal worker. Paul on the steps. Mike's another metal guy sitting over there. And Matthew lounging, woodworker. All right, so we got the honor to build this awesome fort for the Make-A-Wish Foundation and a local kid here in Eugene. He's 10 years old. He's turning 11 tomorrow. We're gonna deliver this thing on his birthday, on his 11th birthday. And I wanna show you what we've got going on with the outside. It's about a 9x20 fort. We've got it on an old travel trailer frame that we fixed up and beefed up, made it wider, made it bigger and stronger to haul this thing. Got this great blue paint that was donated by Benjamin Moore and Tommy's Paint Pot in West Eugene. We've got a really cool accent with galvanized roofing and wainscoting here, done by Hunter Fabrication, which is our neighbor here. The vinyl windows, the redwood, the reclaimed redwood corbels under the eaves, and we've got this awesome incense cedar deck that was actually some old sunken sinker logs and pond logs that we pulled out at the bottom of the mill pond here at the old historic Booth Kelly Mill. Alright, I showed you guys the outside. Come on in, check out the inside. Alright, so no cool fort would be complete without a flat screen smart TV on the wall. Behind this TV, we've got some amazing reclaimed cedar, some local cedar for that barn look. Below, there's a black walnut desk. Could be used for an eating area or kind of a media console. This guy's gonna be super comfortable in here. That's a tiny space, but we wanted to make some cool areas for him to hang out. So he's got his area over here where he can eat and work, and he can lounge in this spot. Hooked him up with a sweet wolf slingshot. This guy's 10 years old, turning 11, and we want to make this place somewhere he'll enjoy now, but a place he'll want to hang out as he gets older too. All the lights are on dimmer switches. Set the mood.
There's some big black cloud.
But here in the kitchen area, he's got space for some cooking, some refrigeration. He's got to have the mini fridge with the drinks. Stocked him up with some cold Powerades. He's got his microwave and his snacks over there for movie night for him and his friends and his brothers and sisters. Got the cool galvanized countertop made by Hunter Fabrication. Matches the exterior coating and some of the roofing and flashing material. It's durable, looks cool, it's gonna age well. Good for a kid to do art on, to eat on. All right, follow me upstairs to the master suite where the magic happens. The movie magic. Come up these black walnut steps. Got this cool modern couch that folds into a bed. This is where you can watch TV, can sleep up here, do some reading, just some lounging. Got the nice window out here so he can look out over his neighborhood and wave to his friends. This is the spot. All right, so you saw the upper level, the master suite, but follow me down. We're gonna go check out the best room of the house, the bonus room. Cohen loves his dog, so we hooked him up with a sweet dog bed, some chew toys, and a ball for his puppy. This is the spot where he can hang out and read and get away from it all. My man Ryan Hine built this awesome bookshelf for Cohen. It looks like a boat, and I stocked it up with some of my favorite books on hiking and camping in the Northwest, which is one of the things Cohen loves. Got him this awesome guitar so he can hang out in here and have his own private space. Play guitar and read and chill with his dog. Alright, thanks for checking it out. I showed you the fort, I showed you the loft, I showed you the camping area, checked out the fridge. Time to head out. But before we do that, let's go check out the whip.
Cadillac grills, Cadillac mills. Check out the oil my Cadillac spills.
All right, if you're gonna have a cool mobile home, you gotta have a sick whip to tote with. Here we've got the 1965 Cadillac Coupe de Ville. Got the Texas horns on the front, 429 under the hood. Pass anything on the road with the gas station. So here we go.
Pretty ass clothes, pretty